Hey, what's cracking, everybody? It's me, Crystal, and I'm back today with the hair review video. Well, actually, this is the 1 month follow-up video. When I first got this wig, I did not have a chance to do the first initial video of the installment and the unboxing. But hey, as you can see, we're still here with it, and here's the review. Okay, so I did order this wig through Amazon, and it was not expensive at all, let me tell you. And that's one of my main things because baby girl does not like spending all of her coin on some hair. Not right about now, I don't anyway. But yeah, this hair was very inexpensive. The shipping was very, very fast. Okay, I ordered it and it came, I don't know if this the wig that came in the same day or it came the next day, but either or, it came really, really fast, which was the plus. So I didn't even have to contact the company or anything. I didn't have to go through all of that, which is a very good thing. Now, once I got my wig, in the box came the wig itself. It also came with a stocking cap. It came with eyelashes, and it came with a cute little bag to keep your wig in. If you're anything like me and you just pop your wig off when you walk in the house, then that's good because I'll just pop it off and put it on the counter in the restroom or something like that. But that is good to keep up the wig so it doesn't get tangled and dusty and all of that good stuff. So this wig also came pre-plucked. Now, about the pre-plucking, I feel like the pre-plucked part was very, very, very good, especially if you are a beginner and you're doing your own wig yourself, or well, applying it yourself. I think that is very good for those who are not pros or know how to do the plucking process. Very, very good. Now, with me, I'm not a pro. I can't say that I'm a pro, but I know how to pluck the front of my wig to my liking to match my hairline to make it look a little bit more authentic to my hairline because my hairline is not thick. So I definitely went in and thinned it out a little bit. I just pulled some out in the front and went behind that first line and plucked a little bit more and then plucked it a little thinner around like my edges or whatnot because I am not a big fan of baby hair, although this wig did come with baby hair as well, but I didn't use the baby hair until I did this video, and you'll see a picture of that if you didn't already see it at the beginning. Okay, now this is also a glueless wig, and in my case, my head is very, very small. So if you have a small head, this wig may be a little too big for you. My hair up under this wig is actually short. Like I can't even braid it. That's how short my hair is up under this wig. So that could have played a part in it too. But overall, my head is small. I did use the clips that came in it because it did come with 4 clips. I did use the clips on the side and in the back, and the 2 little straps in the back. I did squeeze those as tight as they could go for the first day that I wore it, and then I went back in and I had to add the elastic band in the back to give myself the glueless situation going on with my wig, which wasn't a problem because I like my wigs to feel snug anyway. Not too tight that I'm gonna have a headache, but hey, I like it to feel snug. Now, I did go in to bleach the knots because they were a little dark. Um, this they didn't advertise this wig having bleached knots, so I mean, there's no false advertisement there. But I did go in to bleach the knots myself, and it did not take long at all. I didn't even leave the bleach on there that long because I was too scared and I was in a rush. So bleaching the knots is a plus. It did start turning because I did check that. After that, I washed it with the necessary shampoo and conditioner. I used Tresemme and Garnier Fructis, and there was no tangling at all with this wig. Now, when you wear it, just wearing it and not tying it up or just throughout the day, it may get a little tangled in the back. But as far as like bad tangling, all in the middle and the front and the top, and it's just the normal because of the friction of your hair rubbing against your neck and your shirt. That's the only reason why it tangled. Now, the shedding, the shedding is little to no shedding, okay? The only reason why this wig was shedding is because A, I plucked it. I did add a little bleach. I was combing it. Well, not combing it, but I was brushing it. So it did have a little bit of shedding, but only due to that. And that was about it. Even now, the wig still doesn't shed. So I do want to let you guys know that I think I did say this is the 22-inch wig, and at the top of the wig it is very full. I mean the whole wig is full, but it's like it's full at the top and then at the end it kind of gets a little thin. So what I did was I went in and I clipped the ends just to make it look full. I didn't like how it didn't look so full at the end, and I love full hair. And especially with this giving me natural vibes when it's straight, yes, I needed it to look full. So I did have to go ahead and clip the ends. Now, this hair is wonderful. Now, it does not hold a curl for a very long time, but as you can see, I crimped it and my crimps are still in this hair, and I absolutely love it. Okay, well, that'll be all for today. You guys go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment below. Go ahead and follow me on my Snapchat at ocean_24. Peace and blessings, and you guys have a wonderful day.